The Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 hot and iced coffee maker is a versatile dual brewing system designed to accommodate both single cup convenience and full carafe needs. This updated model features MultiStream Technology, which uses 5 entrance needles instead of 1 to saturate coffee grounds more evenly, extracting richer flavor and aroma from every K-cup pod. Users can choose from multiple brew sizes, including 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for single servings and 6, 8, 10, or 12 cups for the glass carafe, making it ideal for both solo mornings and hosting guests. Functionality is at the forefront of the Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 hot and iced coffee maker with its specialized brewing modes. The dedicated Brew Over Ice setting automatically adjusts the brewing temperature to start hotter for full flavor extraction and then cool down to minimize ice melt. For those who prefer a bolder taste, the Strong Brew option enhances the intensity of the coffee, while the extra hot feature ensures a steaming cup for those who like higher temperatures. A shared 72 ounces water reservoir serves both sides of the machine, reducing the frequency of refills even when brewing large carafes. Efficiency and ease of use define the user experience of the Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 hot and iced coffee maker. It includes a programmable 24-hour auto brew feature for the carafe side, allowing you to wake up to freshly brewed coffee. The redesigned front-facing control panel provides an intuitive interface for selecting preferences, and the pause and pour function lets you sneak a cup mid-brew without making a mess. With its compact footprint and modern aesthetic, this brewer fits comfortably on most countertops while providing the professional-grade flexibility required for various coffee preferences. Pros: consistent, good cup of coffee, both single-serve and carafe options, adjustable brew strength settings. Brews a pot relatively quickly, resists clogging and leaking, replacement parts are easily available. Sleek and compact aesthetic design, large 72-ounce water reservoir, easy to fill without spilling, built-in digital clock feature, integrated iced coffee brewing mode. Includes brew size selection options, fits well on coffee drawers. Cons: short lifespan of 1 to 1.5 years, randomly fails to turn on, digital clock adds little value. Requires specific reusable K-cups, standard reusable accessories do not fit, incompatible with basic K-cup accessories features. Single serve and carafe, MultiStream Technology 72 ounces water reservoir, hot and iced settings. Brew strength control, programmable auto brew, multiple brew sizes, gold tone mesh filter. Smart Start feature. The Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 hot and iced coffee maker is a versatile dual brewing system designed to accommodate both single cup convenience and full carafe needs. This updated model features MultiStream Technology, which uses 5 entrance needles instead of 1 to saturate coffee grounds more evenly, extracting richer flavor and aroma from every K-cup pod. Users can choose from multiple brew sizes, including 6, 8, 10, or 12 ounces for single servings and 6, 8, 10, or 12 cups for the glass carafe, making it ideal for both solo mornings and hosting guests. The Keurig K-Duo Gen 2 offers a versatile brewing experience by combining single-serve and carafe options with a sleek, compact design that fits well on coffee drawers. Users benefit from a large 72-ounce water reservoir that is easy to fill, adjustable brew strength settings, an integrated iced coffee mode, and MultiStream technology that produces a consistently good cup of coffee while resisting clogs and leaks. However, these functional pros are weighed against significant reliability issues, including a short lifespan of roughly 1 to 1.5 years and a tendency for the unit to randomly fail to power on. Additionally, While the digital clock offers minimal practical value, the machine presents compatibility frustrations by requiring specific reusable pods and failing to work with standard K-cup accessories or universal reusable filters.